Welcome. In front of me is a Meizu M6T, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's obviously open up settings. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to storage and backup. Scroll down where you'll find factory data reset, and then select that you want to reset phone to factory default. And also if you want to, well, not if you want to, but assuming you want to remove everything, check this on as well, format internal storage, and then click on start reset, confirm it, and give it a couple minutes. It will basically begin the process, and it's gonna take up to 10 minutes from what I've seen on this device, so just be patient. Now once it's finished, we then should be presented with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.